Touch Delay. My name is Den Sherpa, and are you looking for a getaway to experience the rural life, to enjoy the mountain and hills, organic food, hear the birds singing? So yes, here we are today at your very own Nanglo Homestay, Rimbik, Darjeeling. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again. So let me introduce to you the owner and founder of Nanglo Homestay, Mr. Dawa Gyalpo Sherpa, who is also a professional adventurer guide passed out from Himalayan Mountaineering Institute. So Mr. Dawa Gyalpo Sherpa, can you please tell us how the travelers around the world can reach this beautiful destination?
uh, Tasdile, tourist Nanglo Homestay. The nearest railway station is New Jalpaiguri station, and nearest airport is Baghdogra airport. To reach Nanglo Homestay, we have two ways. From via Darjeeling is like 140 kilometers, and from via Mirik is like 128 kilometers. We have two mode of transportation to reach Nanglo Homestay. One is private taxi and one is sharing taxi. In for sharing taxi is like the rate is like 3 to 400 rupees per person. For more details, you can contact me.
So going forward, can you please tell us the facilities provided by the Nanglo Homestay to the travelers who come here to stay?
We can just like accommodate like 8 people. Then if the guests are more than 8 people, we have like accommodate like a nearby homestay. There are many homestays nearby, so we can give like homely cooked food, so guests can enjoy homely cooked food, and guests can like enjoy like organic food which has grown in like our farm. And so we have a 24 hours hot and cold water, running water in the shower. And one thing guests can enjoy how to cook like a local food. We can teach guests for how to cook local food also. So
Okay. So, can you if I suppose I'm a traveler and I want to visit the local area, so what are the local activities which I can do within the walking distance?
in walking distance, you can go there. Something Gumba, which is like from here is like only 5 minutes walk to reach something Gumba. It's the oldest monastery, which is like a century old, more than 100 years. So it was established in 1917. So it's the in Buddhism there are four sects, and in four sect there is a monastery come under the Nyingma sect, and one is the monastery, and they were running by the Lama Pasang Lakpa, which is like completed his graduation from the Arunachal monastery. So after a monastery, then you can go to the like nursery, which is in the Rimbik forest office, Rimbik forest range. So in nursery you can see varieties of trees which are grown in the hilly region in this Singalija National Park region. So out there you can enjoy the different kinds of trees, different the varieties of trees which are grown. And this nursery was sponsored by like JICA organization, which is this company was based like Japan based company, and out there is nearby the forest office. It's nearby forest office, so there are a lot of workers are there. So it's like a private organization. And after nursery we can go to the rock climbing. Yes, there are no more activities out here, so guests can, if the guests are they want to do like something some do activities out here, we have a rock climbing out there. The guests can do like climbing, rappelling, like zoomering. Those who are like if want to do bouldering with they can do it with safety, because in what you call in mountaineering language, that we have to be safety first, and so they can enjoy out there rock climbing. meditation cave. Just in future we are building a meditation cave also. So guests can enjoy. If there is guests, guests can enjoy. Those who are feeling because of the city's metropolitan life. So guests can do a like a meditation. So they can enjoy like a meditation at morning time. They can do a prayer. They can relax their mind for having like 1 to 2 hours meditation. So guests can enjoy these things. So we are building in future. We are building meditation cave also. We have 4 in like a nearby walking distance.
So it was very interesting to hear about the local activities which have been performed over here. So, Mr. Galpo, can you please tell us what if a traveler wants to do something more? Like a traveler, he always comes with more energy to do something more. So, what after this? So, can you please recommend us?
Yeah, if travelers want to do like if they have they have a 3 4 days more in their hand, they can do like some more activities like they can go for Sandakpur, which is like 20 kilometers from here, and from Sandakpur they can go to the Falut, which has a very nice view, right? From there they can see a nice view of mountain, and from Falut they can come to the Gorke Samandin. Samandin is like a plateau type of place. It's like almost covered by the pine tree, and then come back to the Nanglo homestay. So if the guests have 3 4 days more, they can do more activities out there.
Well, I'm sure this is going to be a new and unique experience, holiday experience for you and your family. And I hope that you have got all the basic ideas to reach here in Nanglo Homestay. So for any further details and queries, please contact us, and the details are given in the description below. And we hope to see you really soon. Yes, Tashtili.